Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2021 Toyota Sienna Hybrid equipped with the AMT Vans rear entry manual ramp. Go ahead and bring down the ramp. This one is going to have the automatic liftgate. It will also have a backup camera. To bring down the ramp, you will use this lever here to unlock it. So this ramp here is going to be 31 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 55 inches. In the back, you will have two jump seats that will flip out of the way. Now that the seats are flipped out of the way, you will have room for the wheelchair user. And in the middle, you will have captain's chairs. And this van here only has 20,000 miles. Let's go ahead and bring the ramp back in. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off for a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 20,000 miles. You will also have a touchscreen infotainment system with a backup camera. Up here, you will have the moonroof. You also have the leather heated seats. And here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.